Hey everyone, it's me Paul with United Bumper Repair. Today we're going to be doing a repair on a Tesla Model Y. It's got a couple of scratches here on the bumper corner that I'm going to be repairing. Going to sand this whole area down, going to primer and then repaint, blend the color out, and then clear coat this section, and then smoke in a blend at this small choke point over here somewhere. And hopefully it'll take a few hours to complete. So let's get started. Okay, I've got a, like in my other video, it's a folded tape edge. Hopefully that focuses. You can see it's tape, but it's folded over. That way when the clear coat comes around, this acts like a flopper, so it doesn't leave a sharp line in here. When I go to mask this off, it leaves a really clean, faded line. Clear coat just goes in and fades around, leaves a nice soft edge all the way around, so you can't tell it's been painted. Okay, all done mixing the color. And this is how it looks, kind of raw. Let me see if I can stir it while holding the camera. I'm gonna do this here. I'll hold it like this. You see all the colors. I had like somewhere around 10 colors in there or so. And that's what makes that color. Here we go. Okay, got everything prepped for paint, and I'm going to blend that color out. Got my marks where I'm going to stop the clear coat, stop the base coat, and then blend it out. So I'm going to tack it off, get all the little dirt specks off of it, and we'll start painting. Okay, I got the color base coat laid out, blended out. You can see here, heavy here, and then fade it out. And then around here too, blend it out. So I'm gonna bring the clear coat out to here, clear coat the rest of it. Just gonna tack it off a bit, cut back on any dust. Okay, all done. This repair took about 4.5 hours to complete here at the client's home. It's ready to drive, ready for the rain. Any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.